Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Buick Lacrosse key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate your car's specific programming button or slot, which is often found in the glove box or under the dashboard. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the programming button in your vehicle. You'll typically hear a chime or see a light flash, indicating that your car has entered programming mode. This step prepares your vehicle to accept new key fob signals. Now take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 15 seconds. Your vehicle will respond with a chime or a light flash, confirming that this fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this exact process for every additional key fob you wish to program, one by one, ensuring each receives confirmation. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. This action will exit the vehicle's programming mode. Finally, test each key fob individually to ensure they all lock, unlock, and perform any other functions correctly. Congratulations, your key fobs are now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.